Hi everybody, my name is Tracy. My current field placement is part of a hospital system. I actually don't work inside the hospital. I am with kind of two different programs. Both programs work with first-time moms. The moms are typically on medical assistance. I'm just dealing with a lot of issues. Some have addictions. Some just have financial stressors. We have a lot of high school and unfortunately even middle school women that we work with who are experiencing their first pregnancy. And so my role is to work alongside the home visiting nurses and go into the home and help them obtain resources. Sometimes it's, simply helping them get medical assistance. Other times, I've helped, oh my gosh, in all sorts of things. But then I also provide therapeutic support as well. So a lot of times they're dealing with a lot of trauma and stress and other things that are happening. So I can do therapy at their home. I can also help them work on goals. I have some girls right now who have education plans that they're working on in order to complete high school or even college. And so helping them achieve those goals and helping them kind of figure out the steps in making that happen. So I love my placement. It's really rewarding, and I've got a lot of experience in a lot of different situations all over the county, and I'm glad I chose this internship. The team I'm working with is fantastic as well. What I hope to get out of this course is I really don't have any experience with grief. Personally, I've dealt with grief, but I mean, as far as working with other people and helping them through their grief, I really don't have any experience in that. So I'm hoping to learn more about it, about the grief process and what that looks like, and should I come across somebody who is going through that, how I can be a support to them. And as far as studying grief and why that's relevant, I think no matter what we do with social work, even if it's not in a hospice or even if it's not, specifically with grief, I think we're always going to come across that. We're going to be working with a client who may suddenly lose a parent, or with a child who, is being pulled out of their home, and while the parents haven't passed away, there's that grieving process that happens with that. So I think this is very relevant for whatever line of work we go into within social work. So So I'm glad to have this course and to just learn whatever I can. We only have 7 weeks and then we're done, so kind of light at the end of the tunnel. So I hope you guys have a great last few weeks, and good luck to everybody.